Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on your Robinhood account. First, open your app. Once you're inside, tap the profile icon in the lower right corner and then tap the menu at the top of the screen. Scroll down and tap Settings. Then go to Personal Information. Here, you'll see your name and other details, but your name isn't editable. That's because Robinhood is a licensed brokerage, and for security reasons, they require legal documentation before any name change can be made. Go back to the menu, scroll down, and tap Robinhood Support. From here, you can start a chat or request a callback. Type change name, and if the automated options don't fit, choose account or transfers to reach a support agent. Robinhood will ask you to upload legal proof of your name change like a marriage certificate, divorce decree, or court order. Once approved, your account will be updated. And that's it. That's how to change your name on your Robinhood account. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.